Hi everyone! Today on Ding Ding Kitchen we have another easy peasy recipe. Coca-Cola Chicken Wings, also known as holokaye. This is a dish that will be gone by the end of the night. Let's get started. Because we're cooking these right away, it's important to rub the chicken wings with some salt first. That way the meat will have enough flavor. Give it a nice massage. Really get in there. Now we can mince the garlic and cut the ginger. For the Coke, we're using about 250 milliliters. Maverick Strong 3875 asks, is it okay to use Coke Zero or Diet Coke instead of regular Coke? Absolutely not. The sugar from the Coke is what sweetens it and also thickens the sauce. So if you use Diet Coke, then it's just going to be a watery mess. It's best to use regular Coke. Now we can start cooking. In a pan on high heat, add oil and pan fry the chicken wings. Make sure there's enough color before flipping. After flipping, we can now add the ginger to the pan. Add a little bit of oil and add the garlic. Now normally you would take out the chicken wings to stir fry the garlic and the ginger, but I like to use a special technique called the BLT technique. It's called being lazy technique. If it works just fine, then you save yourself some time. Once the garlic is aromatic, we can add a splash of cooking wine. Now add the Coke and add light soy sauce. Maintain the high heat as we want to now reduce the sauce while cooking the wings. Occasionally turn over the chicken wings so that both sides are cooked evenly. The cook time from start to finish is about 20 minutes and the chicken wings will come out perfectly. Once the sauce has thickened, we can add a little bit of dark soy sauce for some color. Remember to enjoy the rest of the Coke. Woo! If you enjoyed today's video, click here to check out another recipe. Or if you didn't enjoy the video, maybe try this one here, please.